Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hey, since it's weekend and we are all talking about being safe and healthy, I chose a recipe today. It's a healthy recipe. It's an age-old recipe called kashaya powder, kashayam drink. Easy way to say it is it's an immune booster drink. And so I just wanted to show you how to make it. And you can make this powder and keep it ready. And you can use 1 spoon at a time whenever you want to drink. Better to drink early morning. Okay, so let me start. So, coriander seeds. Then we need cumin seeds. Right? Coriander, cumin, little bit of peppercorns, and little bit of fennel seeds, and then cardamom is my favorite spice. This is absolutely my favorite. And then we need a spoon of cloves. All right, we are just going to roast them. You know, when you're roasting them, you can actually smell the aroma. I don't want it to be too high. So while I'm roasting, I'm just going to pack my things back here. So this is my usual masala dabba that I use, and these are all for my biryani stuff. So, I don't need this anymore. Yeah, I don't know how I started doing food videos, but you all have been encouraging me to make videos. So I think this is what I'm doing being quarantined. You can smell the spices. Gonna grab my blender, because then what we're gonna do is, this is it guys, you know, you make sure that this is like slowly roasted. You can hear the aroma, smell the aroma, and then once it's roasted, we're gonna cool it down and put it in the mixer and blend it. And then I'm gonna show you how to actually make the drink. I'm gonna start making the drink here on the side so we can save some time. So I'm gonna make 1 cup today. So we'll boil the water, and the water is boiling. Let me tell you the best things about being home and quarantined. I am loving the lazy mornings. I don't have to rush through the door every morning to work. So I can take my time, have my coffee, and start my day. I love that part. And I get to see my little daughter, who used to wake up really late, so she comes and says good morning every day. And my husband misses getting a haircut the most, so it's been fun watching him. He doesn't want me to cut his hair, but he needs a haircut desperately. And kids make me play Monopoly, and always, for whatever reason, every single time I end up in the jail. So I don't like that part. So, yeah, and then I taught my daughter how to play rummy, both my daughter and son. And now she's beating everybody. She's even beating my father-in-law. So that's been fun for her. So we're just gonna let this cool down to make the powder. Then, let me move this in the front. So of course, family walks, and honey coming home on time. So that's all been really good. And then we plan to do our quarantine shoot today. We're gonna wear the mask and then take some pictures so we can make some memories. Weekend project. I see the water boiling, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna If you don't have fresh ginger, you can always use ginger powder. So we have fresh ginger, so I'm just going to take a piece of ginger. Smash it. This is my ginger, so I'm gonna have ginger in the boiling water. And my favorite ingredient is jaggery. Jaggery is like molasses, it's a form of sugar. So some jaggery in there. So while we're doing that, I'm just gonna transport this into okay. I'm gonna blend it really quick. Still hot. Might want to wait till it cools. Oh God, smell those spices. So here's your kashaya powder. That's how simple it is. And then, so you save this powder, you can use it whenever you want to drink. And then you take 1 spoon of this for 1 cup of water. I want to put a little bit more jaggery, just because. And now the best part is you just need to add a little bit of milk. Little bit of milk. And guess what is the one ingredient that's going to complete this drink? The golden spice, turmeric. That's my turmeric. Turmeric, and here's the kashaya, the immune booster. So I really hope you all try this. It's healthy. It's an age-old recipe. There you go. Once it cools down, I'm just going to let it boil a little bit more, and once it cools down, I'm going to taste it. I am sure it's going to taste really good. I hope you all try this recipe and have a great weekend, and share your quarantine stories with me when you get a chance. Take care, guys. See you next time.